Khulumbai Lagafur, this is Pranab Gary here. Welcome back to my channel, Bodosa Info Channel. Bodosa Info Channel on Tamaka FinCapsabor and Ezavai. So KYC, ML, one of the BPOs and MNC's job. So we will discuss in the form of series one by one. Today we shall discuss about KYC, why it is important for banks, Indian banks, Indian financial institution, investment banking especially, and in the later series of my YouTube channel. So we will discuss about KYC job profile itself in great detail. To the bidibla jang KYC ni bikwe lairensi KYC, what is KYC, what is ML. So gibiauna jang KYC ni bikwe discuss kalamsi. KYC means knowing your customer or knowing your clients, or simply know your customer. So because jang bunga be generally bank by investment bank farao and say important ganangti bank by investment bank fara subung jang public jang lenden mane paisa ni lenden khalamnaini sigang KYC खौ लाग्रोयो जोंनिफ्राय बिनानै. Okay, for example सोरबा बैंक एकाउन्ट खुलिनो नागिरदोंब्ला गिबियावनो बेयो बेंकनो आइडेन्टिटी प्रुफ, एड्रेस प्रुफ, witness proof, soनिबा signature, साखी प्रमाण, and source of income माने बोरै बि इनकाम खौ खालामो, मा साख्रि मावो, source of wealth, बिनि मा wealth दङ source, etc. बेफोरखौ सबमिट खालामनो नांगोन बेंकनो, होमब्लासो एकाउन्टखौ ओपन खालामगोन. KYC documents like passport, voter's identity card, driving license, Aadhaar letter or acknowledgement letter, and Aadhaar card itself you got, and NREGA card and PAN card. So these are the documents, and there are many other documents so which can be produced as identity, proof of identity and proof of address. So before document ko जों bank नो गथायनानै होनांगोन, होमब्लासो account को open खालामगोन. बैंक एकाउन्ट माने बैंक एकाउन्टखौ सुबुंनि नामाव बा कास्टमारनि नामाव भेरिफाइ खालामनानै भेरिफिकेसन खालामनायनि उनावसो बैंक एकाउन्टखौ खुलिगोन. जिकुनु बेंका बा जिकुनु इनभेस्टमेन्ट बेंका बा जिकुनु फाइनान्सियेल बेंका इन्डियायाव बा बुहुमनाङै. Alright, so because बिसोरो internally verification खालामो, verified. After having verified that particular customer can be deemed fit to be a customer into that particular bank or financial institution or investment bank. Bank account जेरखम for example जोंनाव दं saving account, which is typically Indian bank has, or Indian financial institution or bank especially have this, and current account and loan account now जोंनाव दङ for example credit card loan, car loan, property loan, housing loan, and personal loan, educational loan. So for each and every transaction, or before entering into the establishment or relationship between the customer and the bank, so we have to provide all these mandatory documents. So biku RBI means mandatory requirement kalamde. So for every bit of transactions with the bank, a customer needs to provide KYC documents. Mane KYC document say ganangthar besar. So according to RBI. So dania question जाबाय मानो बेंकफोरा KYC document खौ public निफ्राय नागिरो? बेनो मोनसे question. Okay, why KYC is required? KYC documents are required. So बेनि कारणानो जाबाय to prevent the bank from fraudulent activities by thieves. नंगौ बेंकखौ fraud आरो cheating खालामजानायनिफ्राय रैखाथि होनो थाखाय KYC document खौ मोनसे mandatory requirement खालामनाय जादों by the RBI of India, Reserve Bank of India. कारन दिनैनि दिनाव bank fraud, bank सिखावनि केसेसफोरा daily बारानिफ्राय बारासो जानो हमबाय. According to a recent article by Indian Express मोनसे newspaper recently 2020 आव मोनसे breakthrough जादों बेयो. Total bank fraud cases in India, it is about 4,610 cases. आरो बेखौ जुदि जों money value आव convert खालामोब्ला बियो almost 1,82,051 crore rupees. See how big amount it is. And because it is a percentage of the convert kalama, it is almost 98% of the total value of the fraud. See how big fraudulent activities are in today's scenario. See, banks are so vulnerable today in today's scenario. So it is a global phenomenon. It is not limited to India. This thief can easily misuse the bank for their bad purposes, bad motives. Okay, so base cow for a Indian bank ba belek online Indian financial institution for cow bere thogenanai paisa lutie. Generally base cow for a loan fraud ba property fraud, credit card fraud, etc. khalama, and bisara means a normal fraud. So these kinds of thieves, this kind of fraudulent fraudsters are categorized as simple. Okay, kintu bera for setting on the other hand menses kauni group donga Jeffers kawa money laundering khalama mane bisara black money mane this is not legally earned money. Okay, so aba before legally earned money no bisara thogainanai mansiko thogainanai lutinai money, so because जों black money bunga. So black money ko white money o convert khalama. Okay, आरो बे white money को base खावफोरा terrorist activity फोराव बाहायो, जेरै सुबुंनि गेजेराव बमा बेरफुनाय, मानसि बुथारनाय, contract killing, दामि बेसाद बायनाय, luxury purchases, etc. So बेनिखायनो Government of India, especially the Reserve Bank of India, KYC document को मोनसे mandatory गोनांथि खालामनाय जादों, just to save the bank. So Reserve Bank of India come up with these kind of requirements. So nowadays, so if you want to have a transaction with a bank or any financial institution, then KYC is a must. See, actually be KYC document requirements dongo because agalaw FATF mane Financial Action Task Force jeni headquarter dongo Paris of France. So B requirement KYC document requirement ko FATF agalaw means mandatory hisabe rule kalam dangman for any financial institution. Anybody who wants to do a transaction with that particular financial institution or any bank, then customer have to provide KYC document as a mandatory. So be FATF means say international watchdog to counteract money laundering and terrorist financing. So FATF ni bikwe jang abungai discuss kalamgan in my upcoming YouTube series. So give you just for time being mitnan lade FATF mane Financial Action Task Force beni headquarters abai in Paris. Okay, French Arabico found kalam dangman. So it was established in 1989. You mean say AFAT. Arbini member countries are totally 39 countries including India. India became its member in 2010. So for time being mitnane lade je FATF means international organization to control money laundering and terrorist financing. Aro be habako fulfill khalamne thakai FATF 40+9 mane 49 recommendation mane rules labadang. So we will be discussing about this in my next upcoming series. Thank you.